exploring rat quantitative phenotype data with a rat genome database. The Phenominer user interface is accessible through either analysis and visualization or phenotypes and models on the RGD homepage. Phenominer is a tool for ontology-based standardization, storage, and mining of quantitative phenotype data for the laboratory rat. Phenominer has all of the selection components on a single page. The ontologies used to organize the data in the database include rat strain ontology for animals, vertebrate trait ontology for phenotypes within a study, clinical measurement ontology for what specific phenotype was measured, measurement method ontology for how the phenotype was measured, experimental condition ontology for the experimental conditions. The vertebrate trait ontology loads automatically, but you can start with any of the ontologies by using the tabs in the lower right panel. Selections made in the bottom panels appear as chosen terms in the top boxes, and all the changes are shown in real time. Entering a term in the search box filters the list below to show only matching terms. Additionally, choices made in one ontology will restrict the available option in others. For example, selecting a video will narrow down the strains to only those with the relevant measurement data. For example, 39795 records under organism trait vertebrate trait ontology, including all its subcategories. While the strains have been filtered and there are only 1824 records shown under inbred strains for the video selected. Click on Generate Report to view the results. The results from the Generate Report consists of a graph, a list of filters, and a table of results. If measurements that use more than one unit have been selected, the graph is hidden until the user filters the measurement selection to a single unit. Select the parameter to color the bars. A drop-down legend is provided to disambiguate the colors. Data from the query can be downloaded. Download all records is displayed on the pages for both unfiltered and filtered queries. The filters, graph, and table are all interconnected. Applying filters on the left removes the data from the table and the graph. Where data for individual rat exists, the graph shows the average as the bar with the individual values shown as red dot for each phenotype. Hover over the bar to see a pop-up with the details about the average value for that data point, or over a dot to see individual value. The combination of sorting and coloring can highlight important results. Here the graph is colored by strain. Sort the table using up and down arrows in the column headers. Bars in the graph are reordered accordingly. Here, the age is sorted in ascending order. Users can access the impact of various dependent variables such as genetic background and external factors on their phenotype of interest. For example, under control conditions, body mass differs between SS and SHR strains, influenced by the genetic strain, as shown in this graph. This graph and table are sorted by value and show how strain, sex, and age affect mean arterial blood pressure measurements under control conditions. And this graph and table are sorted by value, with the graph colored by strain. The graph emphasizes the impact of different experimental conditions and strain, showing how they influence the total protein amount. Thank you.